Good morning, happy Monday. Welcome back to Ken Shaving and BSing, home of your Big Shave Best Champion, as always. And this morning, we're going to get into the shave. We're going to just break out some Stirling Lemon Chill. There's a little chill in the air, and we're going to brighten up the beginning of our week with a little lemon, a little menthol. And hardware today will be Atomic Rocket Brush, for a specific reason. Blackbird, Blackbird razor with the Gillette stainless going after one shave. And we're going to bowl lather today, kids. So there's going to be a pause in between as I get that worked up. We're going to follow up with Lemon Chill Aftershave Splash, the Aqua Oil 5-in-1 Balm, and in the fridge, which I will be, when I pause and start building the lather, I'm going to go get, will be the Stirling Aloe and Witch Hazel Lemon Chill version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause, I'm going to get the lather built up, and we'll be right back. And thank you very much for the pause. Here's the Witch Hazel. They have a number of them. I wish they could do a nice pineapple, but apparently the pineapple fragrance oil, whatever, doesn't hold up. So I emailed Rod about it, and sadly they can't do it, but that would be a fantastic splash. Okay, so what we're going to do is I got the warm water going. I'm going to get the razor warmed up. I'm going to run the brush under the tap here. And I'm going to start loading up here. So Lemon Chill, for those who don't have it, it's I believe it's a glacial. Yeah, it's a glacial version, which means it's our higher of the two mentholated versions they do. It's a nice lemon scent. Not the freshest lemon, little more like a lemon heads, you know, the hard candy. That would be the closest equate, but it's a great scent. So it's kind of a sweet lemon with the menthol. Get a little more water so I can get a little more soap off the puck. And since I don't edit, you know, I can't do like the Shaving with Rich and hit the high-speed camera effect, so to speak, to bowl lather. But we'll come back. I'm going to pause here. We'll come back, and I'm going to get the bowl lather up, and we'll go from there. We'll do a little pre-shave prep, and we'll get this shave going. So I'll be right back. Thanks again. All right, we're back, and got the soap lathered up here. So we're going to do a little pre-shave prep with the cube, just to help that razor glide a little. With the Blackland, it just really helped. But talking with some friends, possible I wasn't rinsing off enough. Well, I know with the Badger brush I didn't rinse the brush out, so I had way too much water in the brush. That first lather on my last shave was just too thin for words. And all right. And of course, Stirling, for those who don't know, is a tallow-based soap. So it is one of the best cost per ounce soaps out there, because you get in a main tub you get 5.8 ounces of soap for usually around $12.95, I believe. So it's on the very low side of over $2 an ounce. So then I got about 2 days growth, just shy, because I shaved a little later on Friday than early in the morning like today. But close enough. All right. So, Royal Rumble was last night. And overall, it was one of the best pay-per-views they've done in a long time. They didn't screw up who won the men's this year. The women's, the odd, let's just say the odds-on favorite, and there are actually like odd betting odds in Vegas. I don't do those, but I'm surprised they exist because, you know, it's predetermined. But they, the couple things, the minor things, they wasted a few spots on some folks. Crowd died after some of the big matches, but overall it was a good event. Problem is, spoiler alert, Ronda Rousey did show up after the matches were done. And it took the shine off the women's winner. Because in the men's, they asked the man, because they gave the champions, winner of each Rumble match, the choice of which world champion or which main title to face. And the winner chose his, the men's winner, but the woman gets in the ring, and then both champs get in the ring. And then out comes Ronda Rousey. She points at the WrestleMania sign, stares down a few of them, goes and to shake the winner's hand. The winner rebuffs her. Goes out to shake Stephanie McMahon's hand, and it's, you know, because of history at WrestleMania 32, I think, in San Francisco. You know, she's skeptical because they put her in an armbar. She put her in her armbar, or put her in an armbar. It wasn't the armbar. Sorry, but put her in that arm, you know, arm hold. But nothing was said. The winner didn't pick which title she's going for. They really took the. It was almost like having James Ellsworth win the first women's Money in the Bank by pulling the briefcase down and dropping it to Carmella. They redid that match, actually. So that kind of sucked. I knew Ronda wouldn't be in the match, but I heard she'd be there. Thing is, what did she bring to the table? Nothing, in my opinion. She looked good. She has a Rowdy Piper themed shirt, because that's how she took her name, her nickname. And looked like had one of his leather jackets, which was awesome. Maybe they had one in the back she could wear. But she didn't say anything, and nothing was decisive, so it took away from the match. And I think that was a huge mistake. Because what is she saying? Does she want the winner of the Royal Rumble, which she's not entitled to because that person has a shot at a world title at the Rumble? Does she want one of the current champions? They better not screw it up and say, oh, it's going to be a triple threat match, because that discredits, the whichever champ and the winner of the Royal Rumble, in my opinion. My favorite on the men's side got to the final four, but of the four was the first of the last four to be eliminated. Which made me sad. But, I mean, the guy that won was my number 2 pick. As a hopeful, not a, just because it's new, it's fresh, it gives you a good story. Although it's technically a rehash of something done a couple years ago. If you know your outside WWE wrestling at all. Okay, we're gonna pick up the neck and check a few spots. So let's see here. I don't know if this Gillette stainless goes well in this black one. I thought it would in the Blackbird. I think maybe this particular blade, it's not dud, it's not uncomfortable, it's not cutting like I'm used to the Gillette stainless cutting. Maybe it didn't quite get the edge it should have. Maybe I've had some, skin changes, because I've liked the stainless, so right after I tried like the first one, so maybe for an odd reason it's not as good a pairing in this razor. I don't know. It's very strange. So the New York / Northeast meetup sounds like it's early March. There's a page for it now combined. the New York and Northeast meetup. Never like how my Adam's apple turns out. A little mustache touch up while I'm at it. All right, not bad. Let's go ahead and rinse. Alright. Cold water rinse off. I had one tiny, I guess we'll call it a weeper, kind of a hair follicle area, so I wouldn't even say it's a weeper because it wasn't really cut. Bit of feedback, but nothing crazy. Pretty standard with the Blackbird in 2 days. Maybe that blade wasn't as smooth. Maybe it was a dud. I mean, it cut fine. Felt comfortable during the shave. I've had less feedback with the black one. What's the Blackbird? I mean, who knows? All right, let's go with the lemon chill, witch hazel, and aloe. Comes out kind of a milky white consistency, skim milkish, a little witch hazel on the. Problem is, this will get in your eyes, especially if you put it around the way I do, because it is, well, it's menthol, it's not glacial, but. Still, you feel it. You feel it. Let that dry. Yeah, so the rumble in and of itself was solid. It was a good, really good pay-per-view. I thought the matches for the most part were great. I do concur with a couple guys I watched that maybe they were a little too legend heavy on the women's side. They had, how many NXT call-ups? I think they only had one NXT call-up, and that was the champ, Ember Moon. Glacial aftershave. My face is going to be friggin' freezing when I hit the air because it's already, the nerves are already going, okay, okay, enough. And fan it, you're getting chilly. All right. and the after balm. Put some moisture back in. All right, nice and chilly shave. All right, thanks for watching. With the mixing time, it was a little low. It's going to be a few minutes more than this, but we're done since I did use the pause button. But stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive. Cheers. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the birthday wishes. Any questions, hit me up. I'll try to answer them. I have a oud request still pending. I haven't forgotten. Maybe I'll try bowl lathering that cream and see what results I get. But any other requests, go back and watch my gear videos. And if you got any requests for certain products, let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to make that a reality in the next shaves. So take care. Shaves, plural, because things happen. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.